Hi, I'm Justin from Wagon Tech, and today we're taking a look at the Michelin 1000 Lumen Rechargeable LED Worklight. The Michelin 1000 Lumen Rechargeable LED Worklight is a multifunctional worklight that's compact and easy to use. On the front of the Michelin 1000 Lumen Rechargeable LED Worklight is a dimmable 1000 lumen LED worklight. This bright white light is able to illuminate you and your vehicle, adding better visibility for passing motorists on the road. You can easily adjust the brightness by pressing the power button on the back of the device. This worklight has a runtime of 2.2 hours on maximum brightness mode and 5 hours on the low mode. On the rear, you'll find a 6 LED warning light. This light faces oncoming traffic and alerts them to your position, helping them to see you and avoid a collision. You can switch between different modes by pressing the SOS button. There are 3 different modes, which are solid, pulse, and flashing modes. This light comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which means it can be easily recharged from any USB charger. You'll never have to look for a way to recharge the worklight, as charging cable is already built into the side of it. And lastly, the Michelin 1000 Lumen Rechargeable LED Worklight features a strap-type handle that is adjustable and opens up, allowing the light to be easily hung. The folding stand allows the user to position the light at any desired angle, while the embedded magnets ensure the light remains stationary when placed on a ferrous surface. And that's been our look at the Michelin 1000 Lumen Rechargeable LED Worklight. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up if you like this video, leave us a comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe to our channel while you're at it. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Wagon Tech for promotions and sales. Thank you very much for watching.